All right, here we go into a great AB/BC practice problem. It's one of those where you read it and you're like, what the heck is this saying? And then as long as you translate into the fundamental thing that's being asked for, you'll be okay. You'll be able to guide yourself to the answer. Let's do this. Assume f and g are differentiable functions that are inverses of each other. The point 4, 5 is on the graph of f. Well, that means that f of 4 is equal to 5. Okay. We're given all this information. F prime of 4 is 2, f prime of 5 is negative 7, g prime of 4 is 0, then g prime of 5 equals. So we want to know the derivative of g at 5. Oh, well, okay, if they're inverses of each other, start out with that fundamental idea that when they're composed, we'll get x. Take the derivative. The derivative of the outer is f prime of g of x. And by now, you'll have this down pat. Times the derivative of the inner. It's equal to 1. Solve for g prime, because that's what we want to solve for. G prime of x is equal to 1 all over f prime of g of x. Don't memorize the formula until you understand it. Then it'll automatically get memorized. So we want g prime of 5. That's going to be equal to 1 all over f prime of g of 5. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So now follow what's being asked. G of 5. Do we have g of 5? Oh, no, I don't have it there. Wait, I have it here. If f of 4 is 5, then g of 5 is 4. Remember the blobs. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look at video 1 in this lesson. So f sends 4 to 5. That's f. G sends 5 back to 4. G of 5 is 4. So we've got 1 over f prime of 4. Nice. How do I find that? Well, let's look at the information. Oh, it's right there. Isn't that cute? So that's equal to 1/2. There we have it. The slope of the tangent line, 2g at 5, 1/2. A quick video, an AB/BC practice problem. It's awesome. What's even maybe more awesome than that, a whole bunch of practice exercises coming up in the next video. Peace.